Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to create recurring reminders in monday.com. So let's start. First, open your monday.com account and here, go to your workspaces and select the board where you want to create a recurring reminder. In this board, click on this automate option at the top right. In here, create a custom automation by clicking on this button. Now, start by selecting this every time period trigger. And here, you can set the automation to daily, weekly, or monthly. For example, I will choose weekly. Below, you can set the time and date of this automation. For example, I will set it every 2 weeks on Tuesdays at 10 a.m. After that, you can now choose the action. Since you want a recurring reminder, you can select this notify. Then here, click on someone and choose who you want to notify. For example, you want to notify a team member. Simply click on this option, then choose the member. Next, click on this notify, then type in the content of the reminder. For example, you want to remind this member to submit his work. Once you are done setting up this automation, click on this create automation button. Now I have created an automation that every 2 weeks on Tuesday at 10 a.m. this team member will be reminded to submit his work. So that's it. That's how you create recurring reminders in monday.com. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on the next video.